In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to take power shot in episode 26. All you need to do is hold down L1 and R1 together. If you are on Xbox, press LB plus RB together. Then press your shoot button, circle on PlayStation or B on Xbox. At the same time, use the left analog stick to aim exactly where you want the ball to go. For example, if you point the stick towards the top corner, the shot will fly upwards. If you angle it to the bottom right, it's going to head straight there. Just remember, the accuracy depends completely on how precise your aim is. You can also add more power by holding the shoot button longer, and keep in mind, the tighter the angle, the sharper you'll need to aim to keep it on target. Some players even have the power shot trait, which makes this move more effective. You can also time the shot for even better results. But even without that, L1 plus R1 plus shoot or LB plus RB plus shoot and aiming with the stick is the full setup. That's the clean way to hit power shots in game. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.